Hello and welcome. This is Gilly Cube. I'm just testing out some colours on this cute little 20 by 20 canvas, square one. Oh, it's going a bit dead now. This was off my Frangipani tree. These lovely colours. It's called, I think it's called a fruit salad, the colour of the Frangipani, because it's got a lovely deep pink, sort of an orange and yellow and a creamy base. So I'm going to see if I can replicate or similar to these particular colours and on this canvas in sort of just to test it out to go on a much larger canvas for a friend. So the base, I'm just going to put a pale lilac on the base. So I just made this lilac up myself out of a little bit of purple and a little bit of white. So it's got mostly white in it, so hence this nice lilac colour. But I'm just going to spread it with my little spreadery thing. I'm not too worried about the very edges at the moment because I can finish those off as I go along. I'm going to keep the sort of composition down in this one corner. So I'm going to put my colours on to sort of just get the colours in my base. So this is what I made up out of my red with white, sort of a dark pinky colour. So I'll hope that this will sort of replicate what I want to replicate in these colours. We will see. Then I'll go the orange in there. Always when I'm making orange, I'll try to remember to put a good chunk of yellow in. It gives the orange a really brighter, much brighter look. And then I'm going to put in some yellow. Just bear with me here as I've got a plan stain for this. Oh, that's lifted the colour already. I should probably put a little bit of, I'll see how we go. I'll see how we go. It's going to put a little bit of purple in there. Where's the purple? Just along the very edge here. You'll get my drift why I'm doing this, because I want to use my little catalyst, little wedgie thing. I'm not even sure where I got this from. Plaid. So it's just got different edges and I just find it really nice for doing an effect in your canvas. So I'm going to just blow that lilac out a bit. There, just blow a bit of this up. Ooh. Now I'll blow either way. I actually like that purple in there. That's given that. Bear with me, bear with me. I'm going to use this to just give some little bit of, I use that like the ziggy zaggy side, just to bring up some softness into the top of the canvas. So if I was doing it on a big one, you could obviously see the effects of this wedge a lot better. So I'm just going to leave that there. Now I will do my puddles for my Frangipani flowers. Oh, I'm loving these colours already, they're gorgeous. So I'll do the sort of cerise colour. Well, it's not quite a cerise colour, I guess. I'll put my orange my yellow. Bear with me here. Okay. I'll just add a little drop on top. This is only a small canvas to work with, and sometimes it's more difficult to work with a small canvas than a larger one. But I'm loving that effect. What I'll get is just, this is just a stainless steel straw with a bendy end, which has gone a bit, actually, I'm sure I've got a better one here. Not much better, but anyway. Yeah, they're just from the discount shop. They're just a straw, so I'll blow my flowers out. Oh, cute, cute, cute. Okay, I will use just a deflated balloon. We'll add to my detail. You'll see, it'll come together. There's quite a fair bit of paint on there, so it is kind of falling in. I could have blown a little bit more off it, but I will wait for it to dry off a bit, and then I can add some more detail to that. But I think I'm going to let it dry off a bit, and then I will come back and put a little bit more of that purple in to define my flower a bit. Just bear with me. I'll walk away, go and have me cup of coffee, and then I'll come back and just make that a little bit better. But the colours, that would be super duper on a large canvas. So bear with me, and I will be back. I've only left it for 10 minutes. I can't help myself. Oh, that's a little bit much. Just a little bit more. Wipe off my balloon. Completely deflated balloon. It's just got air in, no other product, no water or anything. And just kiss it again in the center, and then it gives that nice, prettier little finish, I believe, to it. Really happy with that little one. It's sweet, and now I'm going to prepare my large canvas. So what do you guys think? That is a really nice, bright, cheerful piece of art to gift someone instead of a gift card or a little present. That's really lovely. Really hope you enjoy that. I'd like to tell you, if you're feeling sad, lonely or upset, please ring a family member or a friend. There is always someone there to help you. If that's not available to you, then there is always a helpline. Do not suffer in silence. Okay, my lovelies, take care. Till next time, just a sweet little piece for you.